Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have I got a treat in store for you today, something a little bit different. So I'm here at the Spring Fire Up classic car show with some hot rods, bikes and trikes, American classics, you name it. So I'm going to have a little flyover and then I might get the opportunity to interview a few of the owners. So I'll be back soon. Well, I have to say I didn't know what to expect at this car show, but it's absolutely fantastic. I keep getting flashbacks to my childhood of all the TV cars that I used to see on television. I keep expecting to walk down the next aisle to see Knight Rider or the A-Team van or something. I'll keep looking around though and share it with you. Right, I'm joined by Mal and we're here with his Pride and Joy. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. I'm looking at it and I've not got a clue. So tell us a little bit about your Pride and Joy, Mal.
Yeah, well, when I first bought it, I was told it were an Anglia, but I've delved further into it and it's a 1960 Ford Popular.
1960s, wow.
Yeah, right. Whoever built this were a really clever lad.
Yeah.
He's done a fantastic job on it. Although it's changed hands a few times, and unfortunately it's been neglected since he built it. Now, I've got it, I'm trying to sort of like resurrect it again. And loads of new parts to put on it, blah blah blah. But hopefully I'll have it safe enough for my wife to drive to work in it one day.
What have you got under the bonnet?
Right, under the bonnet is a 2.8 Cologne V6. And it's got the Ford 3-speed auto box.
3-speed auto.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's lovely. It's lovely to drive. Don't wobble about. It's absolutely spot on.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Yeah, it's a great project. That
inside, like I said, the lad who built it, fantastic job.
Yeah.
And I was talking to somebody the other day, and he's got the original 2 front seats in his garage in Sheffield.
Did you say earlier that it was built in Dewsbury?
Yeah, apparently, absolutely. Yeah, originally it was built in Dewsbury.
Yeah.
Now I got it from Cumbria, a lad from Cumbria, but it has changed hands a few times. I'm trying to trace history of it.
Yeah.
But I'm getting closer and closer because, like I said to you, I've got friends who know the actual builder of this car. I'd love to have a word with him.
Yeah.
You know, you only ask one or two questions, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
But, you know,
Well, hopefully he's watching this, and maybe he'll get in touch. So we'll have to have a look out on the comments. So, but no, thank you, Mal. Thanks for showing us this.
Absolute
Pleasure to
Thank
meet you. I love the car. Love it. You know, it's so hard picking a car out from all this lot. You know, so this attracted me.
Yeah, it's the cars here. The standard of cars here is absolutely brilliant.
Fab.
And wherever we go to shows, they're all the same.
Fantastic.
You know, people take a lot of time and patience and money over getting the cars to these sort of standards. They're all brilliant.
No, absolutely fantastic. Thank you, Mal.
Thank you so
all the
much.
best.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you want to bring the camera closer, apparently there's a secret to the car. Can you point it out, Jeff?
B D A R S T.
Badass. Well, I have to say there's some amazing cars here today. I don't think a car show, though, is a car show without the Bond bug. Okay, well, I'm just been joined by Clive. We've just disturbed him having a pasty for his lunch, but I have to say there is a reason why we've stopped him. Apparently this is a one-off fire engine appliance, and he'll probably tell us a little bit more about it. So what can you tell us about this fantastic vehicle?
She is a 1963 Land Rover Series 2A, 109-inch wheelbase, made by Carmichael as a Redwing FT5. Bit of a mouthful. She served with SKF bearings as a factory fire engine and snowplow. She was sold when they closed one factory, bought by an old school welder. The front end is built like a battleship. She served on an airfield near Norwich, also visited a car racetrack near Norwich because she is fully equipped with foam. The only thing she doesn't have today is 75 gallons of water, 5 gallons of concentrated foam, and that will be the only thing stopping her going to Huddersfield International Airport and putting out aircraft fires today.
Clive was so disappointed that you weren't in full uniform. You've got the helmets here as well, so do you want to...
This is period.
This is period.
This is a little more modern. I bring these for the kids because the kids just love to pick up the hose and squirt mum and dad. I love to see the faces. They absolutely adore doing stuff like that.
I bet.
My grandchildren go nuts. Every time, sit in the house, sit, granddad, you know, and every kid loves a fire engine. And they all call it a fire engine. I say, no, it's not a fire engine. It's an airfield fire tender.
It's a fire engine.
The deck chairs were not original equipment. They're when I get tired.
What's the basket for?
The basket goes on the end of these lengths of hard hose, which go on there. And if you're near a stream, a river, a canal, a reservoir, you put that in. The basket on the end and that stops fish and reeds and
Debris.
being sucked into the
Yeah.
pump.
It's old school, but it works, doesn't it?
It works
Yeah.
every time, and it still works today.
Wow.
They still have that facility.
And this is a one-off vehicle.
This is a one-off vehicle. There is no other one that is foam equipped, painted this colour in this country.
Wow. Well, thanks for sharing this, Clive. Honestly, thank you for showing us around this fantastic
You're very
vehicle.
welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. No, you're not mistaken. I'm not sat with J.R. Ewing. This is Tony, and this is his amazing car. What can you tell us about this car, Tony?
Well, just tell you earlier, it was 1960s when I saw the first American car, which was in a local garage, and I thought, that's beautiful, lovely interior and everything. And I thought one day, but we had a Vauxhall Cresta, a 1959 Cresta, which really looked like American car. Had the big oval lights at the back and everything, the wrap-round windshields, and from then I've always wanted one. But we bought houses that we couldn't have one. We couldn't have an American car in, a decent sized one anyway. We had the garage didn't fit in the garage, or it wouldn't go down the drive.
I mean, this is absolutely huge. You need a drive to be able to fit a bus on. This is the most comfortable, I have to say, this is the most comfortable car seat I have ever sat in. It really, really is. So what have you got under the hood? We're not used to saying that. But
Under the under the hood, yeah. It's a 7.5 litre, 455 cubic inch V8.
wow, 7.5.
Yeah, which when you're going, you put your foot down and you just cruise off.
Yeah.
And then once the choke's gone off, then it's just a case of just feathering it. If you wanted to floor it, you could do.
Yeah.
But you get a bit of screaming from back end.
So it's nice in a straight line.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
In a straight line. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, no problem.
And how long have you had this car?
2 years.
2 years. But you've waited how long to get one?
50 years.
50 years.
50 years I've waited. I've always wanted an American car. Yeah.
Yeah.
50 years.
Well, if you're going to get one, this is certainly very, very American.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, they don't get any more American than this.
No.
It just reminds me of all the TV shows when I was younger, and the Dukes of Hazzard with the sheriff's car was
That's
a bit
right.
like this, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, except you've not got the bullhorns on the
No, I
on
think
the front.
health and safety would have a field day, wouldn't they?
They would.
You know.
Fantastic. Well, thank you ever so much, Tony. It's been a pleasure to meet you.
Oh, thank you. It's
And
been
we
a
couldn't have done
pleasure
it
to
without
meet
you.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing us your car.
Great.
Honestly.
Thanks very much.
Don't wait so long next time if you want something.
No, no.
I think
Oh,
50
yeah,
years
yeah.
is a long time to wait, but
Yeah, it is.
wow. Absolutely in awe of your car. Thank you for showing it to me.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome.